been a long journey to this.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know by that little clip and by the title of this video, you guys are very confused and probably very excited just as much as we are. I have so much to tell you guys. I wanted to jump straight into it. We have a lot to do. We have a very short time to get everything moving, and I'll explain all the details later. Martin and I finally got an actual static garage.
All right, now it's getting real. This is crazy. We got a shitter.
Dude, we got a bathroom. We got our own bathroom. Dude, I am beyond excited. Oh my God, dude. This is it, bro. This is like as raw as it gets. We're just cutting straight into it. Now let me start explaining a little bit about how we got here. You guys know, I've said in multiple videos that we've been looking for shops. This is probably like the third time that we applied for one, and this is the first time we actually got approved or didn't back out. This place is super close to home. It's about 1,000 square feet, so it's not huge, but it's definitely a good place to start for the year. The original plan was for Martin and I to try to do this alone, but we got some cool friends that wanted to work on their cars here as well. Obviously, the people part of Static Garage, and they said they were willing to pitch in every month and help us out. So it's gonna obviously take off a huge burden monthly so we can bring more content to you guys. Eden decided to get the fastest Wi-Fi possible for this place, and a phone line, I think. And Stephanie has actually been in quarantine because she had COVID, and thankfully she's okay. And this is her first day back, which is nuts. So she's actually gonna be checking it out for the first time.
Whoa.
That's why you haven't seen it.
Huh? No. This is honestly bigger than I thought.
Oh, that's what a lot of people were saying. An office space would have been fun, but you know me, I'm creative, and I really like to make the area I work in really nice. So this place is gonna get spiced up pretty soon. Probably in another video, because today we're just gonna be moving all this shit here. Tell me when you want me to show you.
What? There's something on it, right?
Hey, Bebes, you want an Easter egg?
Oh, they locked in the bottom?
Yeah. Honestly, I think we're only gonna have like 3 cars here at a time. Yeah, and I think we just got to the point where we were working out of my dad's driveway for a very, very long time. It's almost like 3 years, it seems. And we just wanted to get a place for our own to make better content, and we're just gonna be enjoying it way more. I mean, any day we could just come here, whether it's night, morning, and we can just film and make more videos. So it's gonna be way better. And we're just gonna be enjoying videos a lot better now too, because it's not gonna be so repetitive. To be able to say that we did this, that's nuts. And just at 20 years old, I mean, that's a huge accomplishment for me. So at 10 is when things are gonna start rolling. Jeremiah's coming over in his big old diesel truck. He's gonna be helping us move. And Reeves, which was the buddy that was shown in the last video, he's going to Nick's house to go pick up his SR20 to bring it here. And then Eden's coming. He obviously wants his toolbox here too. So there's gonna be a bunch of moving. I'm probably going to have one of my buddies from work also come with his truck. Thank God I have Stephanie here so she can help record while we're all moving, because it's probably gonna be a lot of third-person POV. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go do this. You ready? The last day here? Not really, I live here. But the last day working here in the garage, man.
Finally, I don't have to hear Daniel.
Technically, we're not working.
You're gonna hear me every day now. Interesting.
You hear the winds? We won't hear the winds in the shop.
Nope. What's up, Eden? Before everyone starts heading over here, I think what we should do is just start pushing everything outside that we're gonna be taking, which is pretty much half the things in this garage. Buddy just showed up with his taco. He's gonna be reversing in right now. I think we're probably just gonna take the little things on his truck. The toolbox, we're gonna need all the help we can get. So we'll probably wait till more people come to put it on Jeremiah's truck, because we're gonna need some straps. Right there, fine.
Jeremiah just showed up. So what's up, dude? What you been up to?
Nothing.
It's working.
Yeah.
Respect it.
Being slow.
Captain America we have at home.
Let's see. Where's the Captain America pose? You got it.
There's only a dad bod pose.
The toolbox is as empty as it can get. I don't think we can remove this one.
Here, just lock that one.
Yeah, I'll lock it with the key. It's just heavier than the toolbox. Most of the big stuff already put on the truck. We still have the dresser and the couch, which we're gonna have to come back for. But right now, Stephanie's gonna be staying with Xavier, which just showed up, and he's gonna be putting some stuff in his S2000, which is probably like nothing, because this doesn't have no room. I think we're probably gonna have to make 2 more trips.
It shouldn't be too much. We got most of it already.
But we have the couch. Put it against the wall, that's what we're gonna have. We're gonna put the couch right here too. I stay right here.
Yeah. That's fine. We'll figure it out either way.
The big piece already here, so that's good. Truck number 1 done. Truck number 2 coming. First drop off, the success. I think this is where we're gonna be leaving all the other stuff, like the jacks and obviously the wiring stuff. We'll just leave it in the corner right here. We have the toolbox right here. We're gonna keep the engines against the bathroom. All right, we're back. It was pretty quick. We got a lot of stuff unloaded and set up kind of where we want it. We're actually going to be taking this couch, which is obviously the family couch. My dad is gonna be swapping it, so I think he was being nice enough to give this to me since we got the shop, so hope you're proud, Dad.
That's it.
Seeing Jerem's truck with the couch is so funny. Oh, man.
I'm already tired.
I know, me too.
Come on, guys, chop chop.
Okay, I would put it up against that wall. Put it that way.
Aww, favorite couple.
We can have like a spotty take it. Someone actually, you know, working on the products, and then
That's
have
only
the TV right there.
You were so close.
Have you given them a ride in your G?
No.
I'm sitting in it, but that's it.
Well, take them.
Yeah, I really like your shirt.
Oh, this was the shirt. That was fine.
Hey, it's not like we have a straight.
I respect it. I love my wife. Daniel!
So the guy that you just see talking to Martin, he's actually one of our subscribers, and he brought us a really cool piece. I don't want to show you guys until we actually have it lit up and cleaned up a little bit, but it's pretty dope. So shout out to humble.customs. Make sure to check him out. He does like custom taillights, headlights, and I think he's done a few jobs for Martin. So definitely really cool to have people coming down and supporting.
Oh God.
This is what it's come to.
Yeah. Depression.
Buddy Sean from Bakersfield surprised us. Check that out. It's fucking cool. Signature, and he put our name right there. He's also the guy that did the headlights on the G37 with all the RGB and the, was it the Demon Eyes? And eventually, I'm not sure when, I'm gonna have him do my rear taillights to like the GTR LED rings.
Boy, where's the training? We lifted it up with our hands, bro.
How are you gonna put it on the stand?
It's so light, we got it, don't worry. No, we got it. No, you slide it back. We got it.
Oh, from right here, huh?
What's going on, Static Garage family? It's your boy Riz. We're chilling here with the gang. You know, we just picked up this SR20 from my E30. Pretty dope.
E30.
What? Is this thing even recording for?
Where's Nick? This is his motor. This is an SR20 from an S13, but we're gonna be putting in Nick's red S14. So all this stuff we're gonna be putting up there. Like any like engine related stuff that we're not gonna be using for a while.
Alright.
There you go. All right, corner. I'll push it. We can pull it out.
I can't do that.
There you go. And then the 1G, we're pushing more and have the 1G.
He's standing there like he did all the work. Nice mustache.
I hate you guys. Okay, it's been 2 hours since we've been setting up and no progress has been made. I'm just kidding, we've done a little bit. We put a couple of things up there, some of Nick's intercooler piping, downpipe, all that good stuff. His motor's obviously set up right here, so it's definitely in a good spot. We still have a huge mess. We just ate because we're super hungry, and you can just see Marin doing absolutely nothing. Good job, dude.
I did everything.
No, you didn't. What's up, Nick?
What's up, dude?
Bro, I haven't even seen you all day.
I know. Damn. These guys.
Right there. This is definitely gonna make the 1G swap a lot easier having it at the shop. And not having to worry about it being in the driveway.
I don't want to record.
Wait, is that my actual 1G harness?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
You threw it in there?
It's actually your harness, dude. How do you feel? How do you feel about it?
I'm so surprised. That's a man.
Oh shit.
Storm outside with the last approved permission, you don't get no kisses.
No. This is animal abuse. That's abuse. I can't film that.
You're crazy. Oh God! He actually did it.
I think we're fine right there. No, it's good.
Oh, you fucking dad.
That was insane.
That's it. We just unloaded the 1JZ. Danny's super stressed out. Been a lot of work going on for him. I've been moving the truck, the hoist. Nick's been putting in work. We've all been putting in work. Stephanie, haven't we been putting in work, bro?
I've been holding the camera.
We've been putting in work, bro. There we go. Let's go.
Hey, whoa, who put that turbo manifold there?
Bro. Can I stand on this?
No, bitch. Actually,
new sponsor.
yeah, one of our new sponsors for this video is Honey Shine. This product in particular is to heal all your cuts. It's 100% organic. And then they have these little bombs that are kind of like Burt's Bees, but a lot better. So make sure to check them out.
How do we get sponsored? They're our neighbors.
They just gave him some stuff to give him a shout out, so it worked.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Second gear just kicked out.
Yeah, I know. I felt that. We just lost traction.
Scary.
Let's go, baby.
Second gear was like, I'm like, let off.
I'm speechless. I don't know how to put this into words.
What's going on here? What happened? Dang, take a picture, take a picture. Hey!
Damn, that shit looks hard, bro.
You know, just today on the job, no big deal.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit on 15s.
You good?
No. E30's finally in. You want to pop the hood, Benny? Yeah. Show you guys what we've been doing. Holding the exhaust up. So yeah, to give you guys a rundown of pretty much what's been going on with this car is we found out it had a head gasket leak. I think I mentioned it in one of the videos. And I tore it all apart, and we're gonna be rebuilding it, sending it to a machine shop. And we have a spare head, so we're just gonna be sending that one instead and cleaning it up. But in the meantime, obviously, with all the shop and everything going on, I just don't really wanna spend a lot of money on it. But obviously I wanted it here, so it doesn't sit at my house anymore. But yeah, I mean, the block seems pretty good. It was super easy, took it apart in like an hour. Just have it all covered up. You can see the pistons right there. But this is gonna be a project. So once we put it on, I mean, we're gonna start with more content on the E30 because I know we haven't. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this thing. This is just gonna go in the corner and just sit there. Aside from the E30, bro, I think we got something more exciting, dude. Yeah, we ended up picking up a mini fridge. The most expensive one they sell. Because it's clear. I really wanted a clear one. 300 bucks, bro. There's like a freezer built into another one for just 130. We're like, nah. I said nah.
That one will be no cheap.
There you go.
I know it's weird, but
No, it works.
I'm gonna make it as cold as possible.
Well, we have 3 cars. Pretty sure we could fit 4 if we really wanted to. But I think this is gonna be perfect. Dino. Loser. I remember I was talking to Martin a little earlier, and he was asking me if they hit yet, and that it's slowly hitting for him. And I told him I just have so much stress, and it's so overwhelming trying to get everything from just getting the place to setting it up. But I think it's finally hitting. Like, this is fucking crazy. Like, shout out to my dad, seriously. Just like supporting us for so long and just letting me work out of his driveway. If he wasn't so busy right now with the house, like we showed you, I probably would have filmed myself giving him a big ass hug, but I mean, this is nuts. And thank you to all of you guys for really supporting and, you know, giving us the courage to really do something like this and taking the risk in life, because especially with everything going on, nothing's guaranteed. But this is awesome, and this is a new chapter, guys. Seriously. Like, I don't know what else to say. I'm kind of lost of words, but I think this is probably where I'll be ending the video. I really wanted to start cleaning up, setting everything up, and I have some of my other friends coming. Gotta give some words, man. How do you feel right now? Like, now that it's like you're just kicking it, even though we have a lot to do, and it's not over.
Off camera, I told them once we close the door, or the roll down door, or the door, felt good.
Yeah. Like, this is like a home. Like, I legit feel like I could live here if I wanted to, you know? Obviously, you need a shower, bro. We need a TV. We just need a shower. We need definitely a shower. We can shut up the shower with the sink right there. I'm just kidding. Since the beginning, I love you. Ready to end off the video, guys?
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Me in, swerving in the whip and I'll crash again. I can't sleep, you're stuck inside.